Okay, so how do you become eligible for Amazon Live? This is how it works as best as I can tell in studying it since Wednesday. First, you have to join the Amazon Associates program. I know a lot of people are probably already members of that, but that's your basic program that people use for sharing affiliate links, Amazon links in blog posts and other places where it's appropriate. And people click on that link, and if they buy that product or they buy another product while they're browsing on Amazon during a certain time period, you get a commission. The next step up is the Amazon Influencer Program. Now, you can apply for the Influencer Program, and you can get a quick determination whether you're qualified or not. In order to have Amazon Live, you do have to get into the Influencer Program. And you can apply quickly to see if you would qualify. I think you still have to fill out an application beyond that, but you can apply with YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Now, with YouTube and Twitter, you get feedback right away. They'll tell you right away you were accepted, you were declined. With Facebook and Instagram, it could take up to 5 days. Don't make the mistake I did. Apply with your bigger account. Okay, so when I applied a year or so ago, I did not have as many followers on my YouTube channel. I still don't have a big YouTube channel, and I was declined. I don't know why I chose to do that, but then I came back and I applied with my Twitter, where I have a much bigger following, and I was accepted. So think about which account is most likely to get you accepted. It's based on your follower count, but it's also based on engagement and activity and some other metrics. Okay, so once you get accepted into the influencer program, you get to set up a storefront and you can feature products and services. This top area is called Found on Amazon. A lot of people don't use it, but I think it's kind of cool. I take some photos of my gear and stuff and I put it up there. And then below that, you can set up lists. So if you're a live streamer, for example, you can have my live stream setup. I have a list for beginners. I have a list for mobile streaming and some different other things. I also have a list of books by people that I've interviewed on my live stream show. So people could take a look at that if they're interested. Maybe they want to buy a book. Let's say you're in the Associates program. You want to get Amazon Live. You apply for the influencer program. And once you get that, you set up your storefront, your shop page, the page that I just showed, and then you can apply for Amazon Live. The program's called On-Site Commissions, and I have to learn more about it, but for whatever reason, it's a different code for that than it is for your influencer/associates program. So understand that there's an application process for doing that, but it brings with it additional ways to earn commissions.